So here we have the door doesn't open inside either. So you see, I've seen a couple videos, or just one actually, where he was reaching in here to pull the cable to try to get the door open. So this is a common problem. It's getting under warranty. It's getting its latches replaced. But there's an easier way to pop it open. I'll show you. If you go into this interior handle here, see if I can do this all. You pull this there. You look. I don't know if I can get the camera there. There you go. The very corner right up there. Very tip of that corner. You can see the cable right there. You pull this handle and then put a screwdriver right on that cable and push. And then that should pop the door. So it took a little bit of fiddling with it, but I got the door open. Let's see, let me show you back in here. You see that cable there? You're going to want to just take your screwdriver and push on that cable using a decent amount of force. You kind of jiggle it around and mess with it a little bit while pushing on it, and you'll get it open. But you know, when you go to close it, it's just going to be, you know, stuck again, so you have to do it every time. So you want to have it replaced, the latching mechanism replaced, which is what I'm going to do. But not on this video. This is just how to get it open.